Hey guys, now that you've installed Python on your system, I'm going to show you how to write a Python file and execute it. So I'm in my terminal here, and I'm going to navigate to a temporary directory that I have. I'm going to create a new file called test.py. Now, .py is the file extension for all Python files. This is required for the computer to recognize that the contents within this file will be Python code. So once I create that file, you can see it's right here, test.py. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to be using Vim. You can use whatever text editor that you'd like, such as Notepad, even if you want. And I'm going to write in here print. I'm going to say hello world. Now I'm going to save this file and quit out of it. And now to run that file, we would do Python 3.8 space and then the name of that file, which is test.py. When we hit enter, we get an output right here of hello world.